Yeah, get your hat. You can't do it now. That ruins the tradition. Because it's all about the tradition. Cut his hair with the drone. Okay, so do you want to run the combine and all stand out there on the deal? And then when we get to the end, should we all go put our hats out there? What are we going to do? What are we doing? How are we doing this?
Oh, there's so much pressure. I don't know.
We'll go hang them on these corn stalks and then we'll drive back over there. What?
Let's see what 10 miles an hour does.
On the last pass.
I say we get to the end, we all get out and
Pick the last 12 rows by hand.
Oh, that's stupid.
And we leave everything standing.
Surely there's got to be some deal where you can turn that off so you can get out and check what's wrong on the machine, right?
we just put a pile of bricks on the seat.
It's way too complicated. Just hang them from the... What is your aversion?
Pretty heavy, and your impact's heavy. Turn it on and see if it stays on.
Okay, here. You film right now.
You gotta turn the head on.
I never would have thought that would work.
Oh, yeah, it turned out. Dang it. I guess we'll go put our hats at the end.
Let's go.
What are we doing?
Tradition. Or we're gonna just do it here.
Oh, that radio too, yeah!
I found one! Oh no, never mind.
Why'd you knock down all that corn?
Okay. We have the big family tradition that we don't do every year, but I wish we would every year. So we're trying to do this all over again. Holy cow, look at this. Yeah. That's how dry it is. Look at that. Okay, so years ago, Grandpa's tradition.
Why are you point the camera at yourself if you're gonna talk?
No. Why don't you tell the story then?
Talk.
No, I wanted you to tell the story.
I don't know. Okay, well, here's the story. We get to the end of harvest, and Grandpa would throw his hat
in the combine.
And go through and rip it up.
So I like to be sentimental, and Isaac rolls his eyes at it. So whatever. I didn't bring my bad hat. Here. I gotta go get my hat.
Okay. There's my hat. There's Sterling's hat that he wasn't wearing.
Heartland Co-op hat.
They suck.
Yours is aggravation.
No, mine's just nothing.
Mine's decal.
Mine's just a hat. The fun part about this for me is that I wear my hat at least halfway through the year or most of the year, and then when I get to the end I do this and it's retired.
So you get a new hat.
So I get a new hat.
I have so many hats that, it is what it is. Okay, let's go. Somebody knocking over corn. Another one. Okay. All right. So who's gonna ride on whose lap?
I'll just
sit down. Huddle down there.
Well, Isaac's the baby of the family, so he gets to sit in front. I'll hang under your shirt so you don't fall through the glass.
Sweet. Because it's only glued on.
Right, it's only glued on.
Yeah, I will never let anybody lean on the glass.
It's good strong glue.
Yeah.
Kids have fallen through the glass
Good strong American glue.
and gotten killed before. So
Really? What were their names?
Sounds like a legend to me. Just kidding. I know what happens. That's why Isaac's not completely leaning against it.
they put the dad in an insane asylum that night, actually.
What?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I could imagine. Yeah, not a funny thing.
So, not a place to screw around, people. Things are dangerous.
Yeah, farms are serious.
That's why farmers are more responsible than the rest of you idiots.
Yeah, idiots.
Yeah, idiots. Okay, maybe we should cut that out. There's a reason why people on farms, kids that are 12 years old, are more responsible than their 12-year-old counterparts.
Okay, we don't need to be like debating that either.
We don't. That's a fact.
Yeah. No debates.
Because they're given responsibility, they can be trusted.
Right.
Man, the one path was all granite. It wasn't even. It was narrower paths. We should just.
I wonder what that pass looked like. No.
Or we should tell it it's only 6 rows, because it basically is.
Oh. Yeah. See, like, is me bringing the disc out? Is that gonna fix that today?
You need.
Probably.
Old school ways, you'd put one more terrace across here.
That's
right. Too far away.
You running out of battery? Yeah. Like, how much time you got?
You better do $10 an hour.
Are you serious? I'm serious.
All that for nothing, man. Oh, we screwed around too long.
I'm hurrying.
Don't knock corn over, okay? Oh, ran over a few.
Got it.
It's fine.
It's fine. Oh, do you have one of the shots like you're right above the corn on the far side? Like at the end?
Okay.
That would be sweet to end like that.
Just gonna drop.
I don't know. Where's it at?
Right there.
Change the battery. Change the battery. We got 100 yards left. What are we doing?
Going.
Send it.
It cuts out,
We'll get over there on the edge.
You know, we could use run through the combine. Landed right in the head.
He landed it on the cab. And then it almost slid off. Okay, here we are. About the last 70 feet now.
He's not using the wheel.
The end of the year.
He got the wheel so straight that he didn't have to use
Tradition. Whatever.
Well, it's been fun.
It's been fun.
it. Well, okay, what do we do
Hats
now?
are going through. That was it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh man, now there's a whole bunch of ears on like the snout. You landing it?
Yeah, don't back up anymore.
You're landing it in the cornfield behind us.
Yeah. Ow. Ow.
Oh. Hey, I found the hats. Where's your hat? What's your hat? Can I just grab it?
Yeah. Turn sideways.
What are you doing?
Upside down. There you go.
Upside down? Why?
To turn off.
Oh, okay. Oh, that turns it off? Man, my hat actually kind of got roughed up. Nice. You could still wear that.
But I'm not going.
He's wearing his. I'll put mine on.
My hair's gonna be disgusting. I'm gonna burn this.
You look like a mechanic from the 1950s or something. Huh? Mine's all bent up funny. Yours didn't actually do that. You just thought it was cool to copy him. Cheater. Okay.
Very nice.
Harvest is done. It was very nice. Well, we'll have more videos to continue on. But thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you made it this far.
Go watch
Yeah.
all the other videos.
Go watch all the other videos. Jack up our watch hours, please.
Yes, money.
Like and subscribe somewhere down here.
Down,
Like and subscribe.
down there.
And by the way,
it.
grab
Do
your,
it now!
guys, grab your
3,
grandmas
2,
and your
1,
moms
do
and
it.
everybody's
Do it
phones and
Do it.
subscribe.
Now.
Yeah, do it.
Do it.
Do it.